Hello friends, my name is Vanshita and you're watching my channel Tech Right Education. In this video, I am going to give some important announcements for all of you guys, and these announcements are for technical persons as well as for non-technical persons. So let's move forward to know the announcements. So guys, as you can see in my slide that I have written some courses, some non-technical courses as well as some technical courses. The non-technical courses include business environment, business communication, office management, human resource management, and technical courses include RHEL 8 and computer basics. Under computer basics, you will learn about the hardware components of the computer, like what is hard drive, what is RAM, what is ROM, about the cables, about inner structure of the hard drive, about processing of the CPU. Everything you will learn that will really help you in making your future. Like before studying any big thing, you should know small things. So I want to tell you that I want to run these courses for all of you guys, because as we all know, due to lockdown situation, nobody is able to go to their colleges, their coachings, etc. Everyone have only one means of study, that is online. They learn through YouTube, they learn through some sites, etc. But the main thing is that the strength of the peoples. I will run that course for which I get good strength, because if we have good strength for any course, then there are many benefits. Like we have lots of persons, then we get lots of queries, lots of solutions, and many new ideas of thinking also. It is not possible to run any particular course for 2 to 3 students, because it's really tough to create content, to make videos and everything. So for starting any course, I need strength of peoples. So share to your friends this video who want to learn, or your college mates, everyone, so that they also know that these courses are offered by someone, and if they want to learn, then they come to our channel and learn these courses. Now the question arises that how will you tell to me? So there are many means. You can tell me with the help of comment box, as well as you can join my Telegram group, that is Tech Queries. The link is present in description. You can simply tell me that I want to do this course. I will analyze, I will count the number of peoples, then decide which course I want to run. I will run that course for which I get good strength, because as you all know, good strength really helps to all of you. You will get new things from all of the persons. You will get new questions. You will get new ideas of solving these questions. So the main motto of starting these courses is that everyone learn the topics which come under these courses. Everyone learn the new way of thinking, the new way of solving the questions and everything. So simply do one thing, share to your friends, ask them to join if they want. I am waiting for your feedback. As soon I get your feedback, I will start the courses. The main thing you should remember, that is the strength of the peoples. I will run only that course for which I get good strength. Whatever course I will run as per your demand, I will provide notes for these courses on my Telegram group, that is Tech Queries. and I have one Telegram channel also, that is a Tech Right Education. You can also join my channel. Thank you guys.